Hey, everybody. Musha the Scribe, sending all light, love, and healing energy to the celestial beings of the cosmos. So, we didn't get a whole 18 inches of snow. This will be update number 2. But we did get about, I'm going to say between 10 and 12. I just started digging my truck out over here. But yeah, I think as far as this blizzard, this surprise blizzard thing goes, you know, the worst is over for now. Just hitting y'all with a quick update. Show y'all a little bit of over here how it's looking. You know, that little stream out back where I like to hang out at was a little frozen over last night and early this morning. So I'm gonna go back here. Hey, look how deep this shit is. Flash blizzard, man. It's cold for real. It's type deep. Yeah, the backyard is still at its highest. Everything is covered. It's deep back here. The river is still flowing. The stream is still flowing, but like the top layer of it is definitely frozen over. Yeah, a little winter wonderland. I personally feel like the snow wasn't a natural blizzard this time around, and it just seems to me like we were hit with like 256 fireballs from the sun the day before. And you know how we talked about a few days for that radiation from those things to reach through the atmosphere to the surface down here. And you know, it just so happened the blizzard was right on time for that to keep things cool and keep that radiation level down a little bit, you know, for those who can't handle it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish shoveling the things, and I'll get at y'all later. Mad love.